Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
This is citation 25RO02405. Mr. Scorzo, you were cited for making a prohibited turn back on the 18th of April, a quarter after 3 in the afternoon, 13 Mile and Crooks. You've got three options this morning. You can admit or deny responsibility, or you can admit responsibility with an explanation. How do you wish to proceed?
You want to admit.
I don't want to admit.
You don't want to admit.
They did anything wrong.
that I did anything wrong.
I'm hearing two sets of voices. There's only one ticket issued. You need to speak to Drake Scorzo.
Yeah, I don't want to admit that I did something wrong.
Okay, then raise your right hands. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this matter will be the truth?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, the officer will testify first, please.
All right, Magistrate. On the 18th day of April, I was working a traffic detail. I was positioned in the area of 13 Mile and Crooks, monitoring traffic for the no left turn due to construction. I observed a 2021 Ram 1500 perform the prohibited turn, crossing the double yellow line. I stopped him and cited him for the violation.
Scorzo?
Yeah, so I was on 13 Mile Road making the left, and there was construction everywhere. I didn't see a sign, and there was cones in the left turn lane. So when I got up there, I was in the middle lane, and there's no like oncoming traffic or anything. So I made that left turn, and that's when I got pulled over. I mean, I didn't really cause any harm or anything, and I wasn't sure because I'm not from the area. I live like 30, 40 minutes in Northville. And then he pulled me over and said he was stationed there to just kind of pull over people who were doing what I did. And I just kind of felt like it was kind of like entrapment with like the construction zone, like not really knowing what to do there.
You're serious. You consider that entrapment? For you to drive by multiple no left turn signs, make a prohibited turn, and then you say the officer is trying to entrap you?
Well, I just really didn't know what to do in that kind of situation.
When you see a no left turn sign, what you do is you don't make a left turn.
I didn't see that left turn because my direction.
Did you go back and find the multiple signs that were there? You go back and look after you were stopped?
No, I wasn't. I wasn't from there.
Left turn was closed. Can I speak? Ask if I can speak. Drake, ask if I can speak.
It's absolutely
4.2.
clear that you made the turn. It's absolutely clear the turn was prohibited.
Left turn wrong.
And despite the fact that you don't want to admit you did something wrong, you did. And the fine is $130. The points are between you and the Secretary of State. The court has nothing to do with the point system.
I want to speak.
We're done. You can pay it online or by mail?
Judge, can I speak? I'm his father.
No.
Because left turn lane was closed. How was he supposed to make the left? The left turn lane was closed. He was in the
Because
middle
there was
lane.
a sign that said don't turn
Middle lane.
left.
He didn't see the sign. The left turn was
Multiple
closed.
signs.
He made a left-hand turn.
Were you in the car with him?
No, but
And you
I
don't
went.
know what happened.
I seen it. The left turn lane was closed. This kid with a 4.2 GPA, National Honor Society.
Then he ought to be able to read a sign, shouldn't he?
Well, maybe.
I want to admit I did something wrong. I'm not seeing a Jessica on our docket. Let's see who Jessica is. Screen name Jessica. Please unmute yourself. What is your last name?
Hibbs, Hibbs.
Okay, your screen name is Jessica.
Yeah, it's on my mom's account there. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. And your name is Hibbs. You got two tickets here. 25 RO 01429 and 1429A. One ticket is for having expired plates, and the other ticket is no proof of insurance. These tickets were issued back on the 14th of March at about 6:39 in the evening, Woodward at Samoset. On the 14th of March, was your vehicle insured?
Yes.
Do you have the certificate of no fault insurance that was effective on that date?
Let me see here. I am pretty sure. If not, I just got a new one this week, actually.
What I need to see is the one that was effective on the 14th of March.
Yeah, this expiration date is June 3rd, 2025.
And what is the effective date?
December 3rd, 2024.
December who?
December 3rd, 2024.
Okay, and what are the last four digits of the vehicle identification number, the VIN?
0538.
So you weren't able to show that to the officer when he stopped you?
Yeah, I did not have it available.
Statutory minimum fine on that is $25. No points. There is a $25 fine. Now, as to the expired plates, when did you get the new plates or tabs?
I got them around 2 weeks after I received the ticket.
You have the new registration with you.
Yes.
Can you put that in front of your camera, please?
There's
When
that.
you were stopped, the plates were expired.
Yeah. The registration. Do you want the registration or the new
Yeah.
tab?
I want the registration. The date I need to see is right under your finger.
There you go.
Looks like 0315. You got the ticket on 0314. Is there anything you want to add to that, Officer Hull?
Yeah, I'd like to make a motion to dismiss that citation.
Mr. Hibbs, the citation for expired plates is dismissed thanks to the officer's motion. The other ticket, no proof of insurance, has a $25 fine that you need to pay. You can do it online or by mail, or you could drop by the courthouse and do it at the counter, whatever works for you.
And how would I do it through the online services?
I can save you about 14 steps. Go to allpaidoneword.com.
Okay.
The court's number is 3031. The rest of the information is on your ticket.
Okay. All right.
So it's allpaidoneword.com, 3031, and the rest of it is in your hand.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good one.
And we've got Gabrielle Nelson, who is on the docket. This is 25 RO 02406. Ms. Nelson, you were ticketed on the 18th of April at about 3:22 in the afternoon, making a prohibited turn 13 Mile and Crooks. You got three options this morning. You can admit or deny responsibility, or you can admit responsibility with an explanation. How do you wish to proceed?
I would like to admit responsibility.
Did you come here to make an explanation?
I would like to admit responsibility with explanation, Your Honor.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Can I explain now?
Please. Please.
So I was taking the turn and I was following my directions and it told me to make the turn right there, but I wasn't sure if I could turn there or not. And also I had just got my license. So I'm pretty sure it was like a very nervous turn and I wasn't sure exactly what I was doing. And I'm sorry about that.
Did you go back and look at all the signs they had there?
I did. I didn't see a no turn sign, so I'm pretty sure that was my fault for not paying attention to exactly what was in front of me.
Is there anything you want to add to this matter, Officer Hall?
Yeah, Magistrate, I'd like to make a motion to dismiss this one due to her graduated license.
Ms. Nelson, it doesn't get better than that.
Thank you.
This is dismissed thanks to the officer's motion. You are good to go.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Officer Hall.